Well, good morning, guys. That was weird. I lost power right as I was getting ready to make that play, and then the internet went down, and that kind of jacked me up. Tried to make a play on my phone, and that messed up. This video got messed up. All kinds of not fun. So here's what we got going on. That video is probably messed up. I'm not gonna even edit it, probably. But QQQ is running. What happened is Apple had some um, exceptional news. So we come down here, bring up Apple. It's not loading for some reason. There we go. So this is QQQ first with the breakout. I was literally looking at calls at down here at the 600 and change, looking for it. I thought about entering. I was not going to because it was just as likely to break below and test the 596, 598 range. But I did say that there was some bias that it wanted to go up. And max pain is 603. Max pain is 603 for it to come down. There's a lot of calls on this side, and Apple had itself a good little announcement on its 143.8 billion revenue, 16% year-over-year rise, $100 million advanced chips from Taiwan Semi's Arizona plant this year, and they're starting to make their Mac Mini in Houston, Texas. So huge run up. AMD has their deal with Meta. They've actually came down. Could they curl back up? Who knows? But Apple is the big winner, which is pushing QQQ pretty hard. Now, it failed 606, not failed yet completely, but with max pain being 603 still, there could be the pullback. Like I was saying in the other video, today's got all the Fed speakers talking, and then the City Union address tonight should be pretty impactful to the market, but that's tomorrow for tomorrow's market. A little Trump pump. Um, so yeah, that was a killer move that just missed. Again, I was looking at it and thought about it, and I don't see a play here. I don't see the move from 605 to 608 level. I don't like that move. I'm going to add Microsoft. I don't like them. So here's the big tech names. Memory name. They dropped and came right back. And these are the chip guys. I like Intel just because of the undervalued in them. Uh, shoot. Let's see something just for fun. What is Apple's max pain for? No, this is a weekly options chart. Max pain 265. So they must have been expecting not to have good news, or we're going to drastically come back. That's not right. That options should be expiring. We have midday 260. Yeah, they were expecting a pullback on them. Whoa, I want to just go up, back to. Definitely looking for a pullback. 605.30. This might be the play to come back to 6. 603 is still max pain after the update. That's what it went in today. Did not falter. Trade options. Failed 606. Put. Can I not buy today's? Today's the 24th, isn't it? Today's the 24th, so I can't buy a 0-day? That's weird. Oh well. My account. I had to switch it to a cash account because I got in trouble. Let me just make sure. Cash account. Yield. Cash program pause. Stock lending disabled. Enabled. Margin investing disabled. Yeah, I'm in a cash account. Okay. QQQ. We're gonna get into a put, I feel. Yeah. Might be late to this party. Gotta play tomorrow's. And these are gonna be more expensive. I don't late to the move. Let's just get one. We're just gonna get a little bit of profit. I might have to average down. I'm a little late to the move. This was a botched day for sure. I will buy another one if I can get closer to like a $3 if it does swing that way. I probably missed it actually. See the price drop hard. Apple's still holding kind of strong. I wouldn't be surprised if there is another move up. In which case, I don't want to do. It's jacked up right now. Let's cancel this if it hasn't filled. Oh, of course, 359. Not even close. Would have been up 10% if I could have filled it in quicker. And there's a big drop. Okay, yep. No trade today. I'm out. I missed the failed 606. I missed the bounce at 600. The power surge was a sign from above to not trade. Tries to go again. Yeah, no. I'm just gonna work on getting the old videos. I'm not even gonna. I'll put this one up. Call it the no trade day. Max Pain is 603. We're sitting at 603. Apple and AMD had good news, caused a run up. Was a second late to the party on that one. Would have been a huge win. 606 failure. I was looking for the pullback to 603, and that happened. Just too slow to act with my play-by-play calling, and then not making the play. So maybe there's gonna be another little run up right here, but I'm not chasing nothing. I think we're gonna come back. I just don't want to make a play right now. So yeah, there you go. Pretty good information here. Optionscharts.io. I just Google Max Pain, and then I find it through the link. But there's a lot of good information on this. It'll show you the open interest on ticker symbols and by day. You can see where the focus is on calls and puts. You can see where the biggest volume is. And there is a lot of calls with the 601 strike. which is keeping that price above 601. And that's probably 600, 601. Yeah. So there's pretty big 610. That's the blow up level. That's the run it level. Max pain volatility skew. Your puts and calls, implied volatility, the Greeks. How is your price action working? Expected move. Obviously the calls. This kind of gives you the range. So like when you come, this is by day. So if we come, you look at beginning of March, which is 7 days out. It's looking for a move between 620 and 588, kind of depending if the bearish move plays out, you're looking for a push down to 588. If we turn bullish in the swing up, you're looking for a price move to 620. The probability distribution. The likelihood of it being in this price range. Unusual options. There was the 603 volume open interest. The 603 strike for today was huge volume. Yeah, so that was a big push up over. There's some 606. Is this looking to try to? No, Apple is trying to go again. Do we want to try to play it one more time? Scalp a call. But I don't want to chase that put. I didn't get into it. So let's see if it wants to do a call. What are the calls? Maybe I will play a quick. Ooh, we are under. But Apple was looking like it wanted to go. Maybe not. AMD and Apple both could push up. Yeah, I'm gonna try to scalp this call. We're just gonna. Oh, geez, Louise. I'll try this one. Investing. I'm just gonna try to make a little bit, so I feel good about myself. Hold on 1 second. Oh, I think I actually had some profit. I didn't jump on it. Let's go. Let's just go look how. I'm just gonna see for a 604 test. 411. That's gonna be on a 12% move. Can we go all the way back up to 605? What about? I'd love to sell this thing over for. What do I want to sell it at? Oh, we're moving. Got over 604. Oh, back down. Oopsie. There was my 12%. Let's try. Let's just try this for now. Let's look. Apple's going. AMD is trying to go. Nvidia's pushing. All right. Get your oof. Oof. Going the wrong way on this. Why was that up? We were at 604 and came all the way back down, but the call's still holding. There we go. I do have my sell order set for that 444, which would be it would be a $70 profit or so. Not up anymore. That was a big sharp pullback. Ended up being a longer video. Let me see. What is my average? 367. 40 max. Should have got out of the 4. I was thinking about. It's my thought if I want to get one more. I don't think I do because we're at the 603 is max pain. This is where it could just get pegged for all day. I was hoping for another push up, and it kind of gave me one. I'm going to give it one more chance here. Need this green candle. If it could retrace up to this wick, which is, ooh, that's a big move, actually. We just got to the top of this one. 604.14. 604.84 would be the big move. And that'll give me my 444, which is 21%. That would be ideal. As long as it got there within an hour. Another test of 604.84. Oh, there we go. This was wanting to run up. All right. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? We're following Apple. Looking for the next leg up. If it wants to shoot up or shoot down, or what does it want to do? Google's kind of been one that's carried market for a little bit, being up. It could push higher. Microsoft recovering. I mean, I see a lot of green candles right now for the tech stuff. We just need there we go. Update. Here. There we go. 422, 424. Now I wish I would have bought more. Is it failing yet? No. Oh, see, we were so close. How high did we get? 604.17. No, that's where we're at right now. High 604.59. I needed 20 more cents. So one more push. One more push would get us there. One more push would get us there. Come on, get over this one. Test. I really like 605 again. Would for sure make sure that my sell order filled. Let's go through that again. Make sure these guys are all still doing their thing. Nope. Tesla's trying to be a little green. Microsoft trying to be. Need a bigger move from Microsoft. They're at least over their volume moving average. Google needs to come all the way up to their volume moving average. That would be huge. If Google could run $1, Apple needs to get back to a green push. They're starting to fade out. Micron, huge wick. They had a big move. Nvidia. If Nvidia can get to that 191.15 level, That would be good. Oh, I don't think so. Here we go. We're dropping. Yeah, we're dropping. Dang it. All right, well, I'm gonna get out of this. Place order. I'm just gonna get out of it. I don't care. It can go up. Yeah. So that one sold. I think I only made 25 bucks, but yeah, we're dropping pretty hard right now. Easy. How's that call doing? What do they have? 603? 604. Sold it at like, I sold it $10 ago, I believe. Made 29 bucks on it. Count, investing, history. Sold it at 397. 30 bucks. I have more buying power I can play with. And the 604. 604 call. Oh, sheesh. 605. It went. I got scared. 444 would have filled. All right. Step away real quick. I'm gonna get some more coffee, get these videos uploaded, and maybe make another one. But that's frustrating. All right. See you guys.